Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around DJI's upcoming flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. With fresh leaks and updates surfacing, we now have a clearer picture of its features, design, and potential release timeline. The Mavic 4 Pro introduces a redesigned body that's slightly heavier than its predecessor, weighing approximately 1,450 grams. This increase in weight is attributed to the larger camera module and a more powerful battery. Leaks highlight a bold new design featuring a bulb-shaped triple camera setup housed in a sleek spherical gimbal. This innovative design enhances stability and wind resistance, making it ideal for capturing cinematic footage in challenging conditions. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a 100-megapixel main image sensor, a massive leap from the Mavic 3 Pro's 20-megapixel sensor. Paired with a 28mm lens, an f/2.0 aperture for improved low-light performance, and a dynamic range of 14 stops, this drone is set to deliver stunning visuals. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time, thanks to a 99.5 Wh battery. That's a 9-minute improvement over its predecessor. Additionally, a rumored 240W charger hints at faster charging, ensuring you spend more time in the air and less time waiting. DJI's latest OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system is set to take connectivity to the next level, offering an estimated range of up to 40 kilometers. Combined with 4K 30 frames per second live streaming capabilities, this ensures a reliable and high-quality connection based on FCC filings and leaks. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to be announced in March 2025, with a release in April. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Mavic 4 Pro and other exciting tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.